Welcome back, everybody, to the Grand Shamrock Tour. My name is Carolyn. Would you consider giving me just a few moments of your time while I introduce you to my new Exposure Lights? Well, this is the exciting part. Exposure Lights is bringing their brand to North America this summer. Now, they've been making bicycle lights for 20 years, and they're very popular in the UK. But now, recently, they've started making those lights for motorcycles like mine. As part of the introduction to North America, Exposure Lights has sent me a set of their R3s. Now, these fit my 2023 BMW F750 GS in triple black, of course. Well, fortunately, my motorcycle has been equipped with this HEX EasyCan Ultimate Accessory Manager. Exposure Lights has designed their lights for a seamless connection. And what I love is that I was able to program those auxiliary lights using existing switches and the BMW Wonder Wheel to give me full control over those lights. Well, I do like these lights, but I especially like Exposure's philosophy. It is important to see, but it's more important to be seen. And during the day, I am definitely now being seen. But at night, well, see for yourself.
Watch this.
Okay. Okay, ready?
This is the changing the intensity of the lights.
Oh, that's great.
See that?
Yeah. Holy, that's so bright. So I do want to thank Exposure Lights for the R3 lights, the mounting brackets, and the wires. And to Ted Porter's Beemer shop in California, USA, for connecting us and making this video possible. And on that note, travel safe, and I'll be seen out on the road. That goes off. That's great.